Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This is a more slim version, 1080p of the video doorbell that originally came out, and it's more refined. So as you can see, this one is just a very smaller unit and it looks like more rectangular look. So this one does require hardwire, means it has power to the doorbell before you could actually use this thing. So it comes in silver, it comes in brown faceplate as well, the beige one and the black one. So you can interchange these. So the one that came with originally is the silver one, which is mounted. You do need a smartphone to use this one. So iOS, Android, and Windows 10 are the supported smartphone apps. You can install Ring. With all the things you need that's included in the box except the drill. You also need a Wi-Fi connection, so you need to set up the Wi-Fi, so you must know the password and how to do that. Also, like I mentioned earlier, you do need power to your doorbell, 16 to 24 volts AC and transformer. Wi-Fi internet connection is required, and it works with your smartphone. So it's an Apple, iOS, Android, like Samsung, HTC, and others, and Windows 10 devices. A little bit on the spec: 1080p HD camera, 160-degree field of view, two-way audio with echo cancellation, blank grade encryption, night vision infrared LEDs. There's the operating temperature, -5 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. 1-year warranty on parts, lifetime purchase protection, and outdoor use. More about this in details over here. A little bit on the Blue Pro feature. So it supports 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So you could do dual band on your Wi-Fi router to make it faster. Remember, this comes with 4 faceplate, 1080p, does take more video bandwidth, more bandwidth from your network. So you must have a faster network connection before you use this. So as you can see, you probably want to read through this in more detail if you like. Works really great. A lot of viewers actually watched this and went through this. There's actually more installation details from the vendor as well, so they put a great video on the installation. So let's take a unboxing of the item and see what's inside. Okay, you gotta get this out. Okay, so what's inside when you first open it up? You see the manual. So the manual is included. So don't float that out because there's a plate that you need to put the Ring doorbell on. So besides the sticker and the how-tos, there's actually a nice size mounting bracket, I would say. So that's included, and that's in the packet. So put that on the side. Over here you get the screwdriver. There's just 2 ends to it. Note that the smaller end is when you put the plate back on, and you get the faceplates that are interchangeable. This is the black one, this is the brown one. Very nice faceplates, and this is the beige one. So keep that in mind. So you always change these out if you like. Go through all of them and see which one works best for you. As for this unit itself, there's 2 terminals here, and you can take the faceplate off. There's a screw on the bottom. There's a screwdriver. The small bits, take that out. And there's a little blue box inside. So the blue box, there's a little packet. So it's everything what you need to do the installation. So see if I can empty this thing out, show you exactly what's inside. Okay, first of all, you got the battery that connects to your chime, so you need to know your doorbell chime. Then you also have the extension for the power cable in the front doorbell, and also the screws to screw the the plate in, the mounting plate. Once again, you know, let's take a look at this doorbell. So you got the press button and the camera. Very simple product. Nothing too special. And this one, the response time, the motion response time, is a lot faster than the original Ring Video Doorbell, which I have. It's not that fast. Usually, you don't get the picture a lot of times if you're too, you know, response time's too slow. So this one, I'm looking to upgrade it to get a faster response time. What the competitors out there have, like the Google has the Hello. That's a $50 a year fee to do the subscription for video. This one is $30 per year. So definitely this one's a lower price per year. And this one offers motion when there's motion, it records. The other one's continuous recording. So something that I want to flow out because that product just came out. Other smart home products, Arlo is a big competitor to this product, but the more on the camera, not in the direct view, who's in front of your door. So who's in front of your door, you probably want to see it, and usually they hit the doorbell. So doorbell is a very critical piece for home security. Hope you liked the video surprise of the day. And I want to throw one more detail in. It takes probably 2 to 3 hours to install this, so plan ahead if you want to do this yourself. Hope you liked the video surprise. I really appreciate a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.